today we're gonna replace the over the stove microwave light bulb. You're gonna find them right here. You're gonna need a screwdriver. You're gonna need a screwdriver. You're gonna remove this screw. You're gonna find two bulbs. I already replaced this one. I'm gonna replace this one. This one comes right out like this, and there's two pins. See? The bulb I bought it at on Amazon. You're gonna find something like this. I'm gonna put the link on the description, and see, we're gonna put them like this, there. He just goes right in. Okay, it's pretty simple. So now this is a Samsung model. You can see the model right there. This microwaves came with this issue, so sooner or later you have to replace them. In order to turn on the light, let's turn this off. There, you press 1, see, there you go, and it's dimmable. I'll show you guys. Low and off, high. And now we're gonna put the little bolt, little screw on top. We need the screwdriver. And look, I like very bright lights. It's LED. The old ones, they're this type of, they use a lot of power. Okay, this is only like 6 watts. This is like 40 watts, so it gets so hot and you don't want to be wasting energy. So here it is. Now you know how to replace your bulbs, and it was pretty simple. See you next time.